Hello students, welcome back to my class. I am Muhammad Asim, your English teacher. Today I am going to teach the writing section. In the writing section, I have chosen the topic notice writing. So today I am going to teach you notice writing. Today's topic is notice writing. So let us see what is notice. When a large number of people need to be informed, we write a notice to inform those people. If a large number of people need to be informed, then we write the notice. A notice is usually displayed on the notice board of a school, an institution or society. It is not always must that we write the notice, we display the notice on notice board. Sometimes we also write the notice in the notice register. In organizations, schools, there are notice registers too, to write the notices, to inform their employees. So, when a large number of people need to be informed together, at that time we write the notice, and it is displayed, a notice is displayed, usually displayed on the notice board. So first of all, now let us see the format of notice. Format of notice. For writing the notice, draw a box to write the notice. Draw a box, and then on top mid write the issuing authority or agency. So name, you can say name of the issuing agency or authority. We will write the name of the issuing agency or authority. Then next one will be the heading notice. Next would be the notice, and after writing the notice we will write the date. Date left side, at left side we will write date of release of the notice. Release of the notice. After writing the date, we will write the title or the subject of the event. So next one will be title or subject of the event. After writing the title or subject, we will write the body of the notice. We will write the body of the notice. In body, we will include date, time, duration, place, venue in the body. Body will include date, time, duration, place, venue, etc. And after writing the body, there will be authorized signatory at left side. Authorized signatory. And after writing this, here will be name designation and signature. So this is the structure of notice writing. First of all, we will write the name of the agency or authority that is going to issue the notice. After writing this, we will write notice. After writing the notice, we will write the date. After that, there will be the title or subject of the event, means main heading of the notice, and then there will be the body of the notice. In body, we will include date, time, duration, place, venue, these kinds of things related to our notice. It will depend upon our notice, what are the things that we are going to include in the body. And after writing the body, here will be the authorized signatory, the person who is going to issue the notice, will sign here. Here would be the name, designation and signature of that person who is going to issue the notice. So this is the format of notice writing. Now see the marking scheme 2. You will get 1 mark for format. For format, you will get 1 mark. For content, you will get 2 marks, and for expression, you will get 2 marks. So there will be 5 marks total. Total marks will be 5. This is the marking scheme for your notice writing. So this is the format of notice writing. Now let us see an example of notice writing. So here is a question. The question is, you are Rahul, head boy of ABC Convent School. You are Rahul and you are the head boy of ABC Convent School. Your school name is ABC Convent School, and your school is going to organize an inter-school singing competition, and your school is going to organize an inter-school singing competition. For that, write a notice for your school notice board. You write a notice for your school notice board. For what? Inviting names of all the interested students. Inviting names of all the interested students. So you write a notice for your school students, invite them to give their, invite the names of all the students who are, invite the names of all the students who are interested in singing competition. So you have to write a notice for that. Now let us see how will we write the notice. So first of all, you draw a box. For writing notice, draw a box. And first of all, you will write the name of the organization, the name of the school, that is ABC Convent School. So we will write ABC Convent School. After writing it, we will write notice. Notice. Then after writing notice, we will write the date at left hand side. So date, you can write any date, 3 March 2019. You will write the date when you are going to write the notice, and then you will write the subject. You will write the title or the subject of your notice. So your subject is inter-school singing competition. So you will highlight it, inter school singing competition. If you want, you can also highlight or underline this, that students or the person who is going to see the notice can understand why I am going to write the notice. So this is the heading, this is the title or subject of our notice. Then we will start writing our main content. We will start writing the body of the notice. Our school is organizing an inter school singing competition on March 19, 2019, Tuesday 12 p.m. at 12 p.m. in school auditorium, full stop, in school auditorium. More than 20 schools from all over the city will participate. Interested students may contact the undersigned latest by March 15, 2019. After completing the content, we will write the name of the person who is going to issue this notice. So here will be Rahul is going to send the notice, and he is the head boy of the school. So this is the example of notice writing. First of all, we will write the name of the organization. Here the name of the organization is ABC Convent School. After writing the name of the organization, here will be the notice. Heading will be notice. After that, at left hand side, we will write the date of the notice writing. The date when we are going to write the notice. So we will also include the date of the notice writing, and then here will be the title or subject of notice writing. So you can say it will be the main, it will also be highlighted. You can underline it, you can make it bold, you can do anything like that to show that this is the title or the subject of the notice. So here it is going to be written for the inter-school singing competition. That's why heading is here, title is here, inter-school singing competition. After writing the title or subject of the notice, we will write our matter, we will write our body, our content of the notice. So here our school is organizing an inter-school singing competition on March 19, 2019, Tuesday at 12 p.m. in school auditorium. So in that school there is going to be held a singing competition. That's why this notice is going to be written, and the head boy is going to inform all the students about that singing competition. So our school is organizing an inter-school singing competition on March 19, 2019, Tuesday at 12 p.m. in school auditorium. Now he is going to give some more information. More than 20 schools from all over the city will participate. More than 20 schools from all over the city will participate in that singing competition that is going to be held in their school. And interested students may contact the undersigned latest by March 15, 2019. Interested candidates, interested students may contact the person who is going to write the notice. Undersigned means the person who is going to write the notice. So interested students may contact the undersigned latest by March 15, 2019. So now the body of the letter, the body of the notice is completed. After the body of notice is completed, we will write, here will be the name of the person who is going to issue the notice. So Rahul is the head boy. We will also write the name, designation and signature of the person who is going to issue the notice. So Rahul is going to issue the notice, he is the head boy of the school. So this is the example of notice writing. Now let us see one more example of notice writing. Here is the question. The question is, you are Mr. Mohan Sharma, Secretary of Gangotri Housing Society, Delhi, and draft a notice informing the residents of your society that there will be no water supply for the next 2 days due to some repair work in water tank. There will be some repair work in water tank, and because of that there will not be water supply for next 2 days. So you have to draw a notice for that. You have to draft a notice to inform the person of your society, inform the people of your society. So you are Mr. Mohan Sharma, Secretary of the Gangotri Housing Society. So draft a notice to inform the residents of your society that there will not be water supply for 2 days, for the next 2 days, because of due to the repair work in water tank. First of all, you will draw a box. You will write the notice in the box. At first you will write the name of organization. So here it is Gangotri Housing Society, Delhi. Gangotri Housing Society, Delhi. Next will be notice. Then you will write the date of notice writing. So 6th August 2019. Then after writing the date, you will write the title of subject of the notice. No water supply, no water supply, no water supply for next 2 days, for next 2 days. no water supply for next 2 days. After writing the title or heading, the title or subject of the notice, we will start writing the body of the notice. So see how shall we write the body. All the residents of Gangotri Housing Society are hereby informed that there will be no water supply for 2 days effective from 10th August 2019 due to some urgent and necessary repair work of the water tank full stop. Inconvenience regretted full stop. Then Mohan Sharma secretary Gangotri Housing Society. So this is a notice. First of all, we write the name of the society, the name of the organization, the name of a school, etc. And then we write the notice. After that, at left hand side, we write the date of notice writing. Then we write the title of or subject of the notice writing. Then there will be our body. So this is the body of the notice writing. In body, the secretary is going to inform the residents of the society. So he tells that all the residents of Gangotri Housing Society are hereby informed that there will be no water supply for 2 days. Will be WEF means will be effective from 10th August 2019 due to some urgent and necessary repair work of the water tank. This is the subject that the secretary wanted to deliver to the residents of that society, and that he want to give the residents of his society. And inconvenience regretted. So these are the body of notice. And then write the name of the person who is going to issue the notice. So Mohan Sharma is going to issue the notice. That's why we will write the name of that person. Here will be the name of that person. He is the secretary, Gangotri Housing Society. So this is notice writing. Now the class is over. Thank you. Have a nice day.